Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be starting my cooking with me segment, or like series, I guess you can say, but I'm gonna be extra and put my apron on. Hee hee. I'm just gonna start this segment just to kind of like start cooking other things, but basically I'm gonna just start out with some of the things that I already know how to cook and some of my favorites and different things for that. So hopefully y'all will like this segment. It should be like kind of like funny, me trying to figure out different ways to cook. So it should be funny, but it should also be like informational, and like if you want to learn how to cook this, why don't you go ahead and watch. I'm going to be making a breakfast sandwich. This is like the quickest breakfast I feel like that you can make. It has like a hamburger bun, and it has ham, cheese, and an egg, right? Or 2 eggs, as I should say. It's summer. Some of y'all's parents may not be, like, they might be working and they might leave early, and you might not have breakfast, or they may not cook you breakfast, something like that, and you're kind of fending for yourself, having to figure out something easy to make, because I mean, I always want to find the easy way out when it comes to what I want to eat. That's why fast food is fast food. People just go grab it. So this is literally going to take like 3 minutes to make. Let's get right into it. All you're gonna need for this is 2 eggs, and you're gonna crack them. And then you're gonna whisk it. So I'm just taking a fork. Then you can either take a bowl like this or a bowl like this. This is for like if you have a smaller bun, like a little actual breakfast sandwich bun. But this is like what I'm gonna use for my hamburger bun. I'm gonna take some ham and spray it in there. And then you're just gonna pour the egg in there. I'm gonna put it in here. And I'm gonna put it on for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Usually I go ahead and like prepare everything else, meaning like I go ahead and get the cheese and meat out. So I have a plate, my bun. Now that that's done, I'm taking it out of the microwave. This is what it's gonna look like, so that's like normal for it to look like that. Flip mine onto the bun. I know it looks like really weird. That's how it's supposed to look. I'm taking my cheese of your choice, putting that on there, some ham. It doesn't really look cute or professional, but like 3-minute breakfast. So now that we've done that, now that you know a little bit of a little quick breakfast that you can make, this could be for really anybody who wants something like really quick to make. Sometimes you can throw like some fruit with it. I really like pineapple, so I have a bag of pineapple that I will eat with that. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this little series that I'm trying to do. And let me know if you decide to try the breakfast sandwich. I would love to know in the comment section or in my DMs. Turn the post notifications on so you don't miss out on any posts, because I usually post every other day, and it'll be about noon or 3 o'clock when I post. So yeah, don't forget, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. So let's get this bread all day, every day, and we are out.